Hi, Victor Mondi is my name. Today I'm going to take you through the process of painting a 60s Land Rover from start to finish. Let's get started. There's something interesting about abandoned places, things and vehicles. What is more fascinating is that you can capture and convey that emotion in your artwork. In this video, we'll do just that in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Drawing the outlines. In here, we sketch the outlines of the subject and the background if there is any. This is a crucial step to me. Get it right and everything else will fall in place. You don't want an artwork that is unbalanced or disproportionate. I prefer using a piece of chalk because it is easy to erase in case I make a mistake. Once I've established the outlines, I redo them using paint and brush. I'm quite satisfied with the drawing. So I'll move on to the second step, which is filling out the outlines. In this step, we fill in the outlines with the respective colors, the intrinsic colors. This is the color of the object or surface that you're painting without the tones. In this case, the color green with no shadows or highlights. I find it easier and faster to start with the edges then fill out the rest. I'm using a synthetic filbert brush so that I can paint on both tiny and wider areas depending on the angle of which I'm holding it at. I'll publish an in-depth video on brushes. Please subscribe so that you don't miss out. The next step is adding tonal values. Tonal value is simply the lightness or darkness of a color. In this step, we start bringing the flat subject to life by adding the shadows and highlights. I've already premixed the oil paints. I have the darkest to lightest version of each color. I prefer oil paints because they take longer to dry. You can leave in the morning, go run your errands, and pick up from where you left in the evening. That gives me more control. As I blend the shadows and highlights, I focus more on the general shape and less on the fine details. At the end of this stage, your painting should look complete from a distance. The final procedure is adding the fine details. This is my favorite step. In this stage, we'll add the texture on the surface and make fine adjustments to the composition. We will also paint the intricate details to enliven everything, particularly the subject, which is the car in this case. For this, we'll need the smallest of brushes, that is size 2 and below. I know it's time to stop when you feel the tweaks I'm making are starting to ruin the painting. Alright, here's the finished artwork. It is my hope that you've learned something from this video. Please leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. See you next time.